Welcome guys to a new video for Italian for Americans. Today we're gonna say together something very interesting that we've seen in the past as well, which is 5 English words that they are the same in Italian but they mean a different way. So we'll help you understand how not to confuse them, how to say the exact same thing in English but the Italian way, and this is gonna help you out to build up your vocabulary and not confuse common things in Italian and English. Word number 1 for today is casino. Casino as a gambling house in Italian has 2 different meanings. The Italian word casino means mess or chaos. This place is a mess. Questo posto è un casino. But it also can mean whorehouse or brothel. But this meaning was common in the past and not anymore because, of course, they don't exist anymore in Italy, these places. The Italian word for the English word casino, let's go to a casino, it's actually like this: casino, casino, casino. So you see with the accent on the O, casino. If you say casino in Italy, they probably will not understand you. So if you're in Venice or another place and you want to go visit a casino, you just tell them, per favore, dov'è il casino? C'è un casino in questa città? C'è un casino in questa città? Okay? So this is how you can say it. Number 2 is the word agenda. The word agenda comes from the Latin and it actually means cose da fare. Cose da fare. In Italian we almost always use this word, meaning a daily planner or the organizer of the week, a diary. So basically the material object with papers that we use to write what we need to do. So if you hear an Italian talking about his agenda, he's probably talking about the physical diary where he writes the things that he needs to do during the day or the week. If you want to use instead the word agenda with the meaning that you guys use in English, you would actually have to use the word programma or ordine del giorno. Ordine del giorno. For example, the agenda of the day includes working on this project and meeting this client. In Italian we would say l'ordine del giorno prevede lavorare su questo progetto e incontrare questo cliente. And agenda meaning the underlying goal, you can say it in Italian with this word, which is secondi fini. Secondi fini. Like, let's say you want to ask, what's your real agenda? Like, quali sono I tuoi secondi fini? Another example, from her tone of voice, Clara's agenda was obvious. Dal tono della sua voce, I secondi fini di Clara erano ovvi. Golf. While in English you just have one meaning for this word, which is the game that Tiger Woods plays, in Italian the word golf, il golfino, has another meaning. It can mean light sweater or a jumper worn in spring or autumn. So it's il golf, il golfino. Il golf, il golfino. Che bel golfino che hai. Che bel golfino che hai. Pullman. In Italian the word Pullman is a coach or a bus. We don't use it to refer to a railway carriage, but we use the word carrozzaletti, carrozzaletti, if there are beds, or carrozza o vagone ristorante, if there's a restaurant in the railway carriage. Fiction. The word fiction in Italian doesn't refer to a book or story written about imaginary characters and events, but it means TV series. TV series. A series created especially for television. So for example, those on Netflix are not fiction. They are called serie. 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 If you want to say fiction in Italian, you have to use the words narrativa, romanzo, storia di fantasia. Narrativa, romanzo, storia di fantasia. That's fiction, okay? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, just leave a like or comment and subscribe for more free videos every Sunday. I remind you that you can download your free gift in the description below to start applying the natural method right away with me. I send you big hugs from Italy, wish you the best, and I'll see you next week.